Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Icing the 80s here. So I washed my hair, conditioned it, and did everything using the Must Be Natural products. So I'm going to put the video together, but I'm going to put it in pieces because it takes me a while to wash my hair. Y'all don't want to sit on there all that long time. So I'm going to put it in pieces and show you what I liked and what I didn't like. And so as the video is playing, I'll explain it on over the video. So I'm going to show you real quick the products that I used. And right now I don't have anything in my hair. So this is after I've washed and conditioned my hair. This is what it looks like. There's just a lot of water in it because it's still wet. You see, it's still dripping, dripping. So now I'm going to put in a leave-in conditioner. So what I have is the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. This is the only one I have. Like, I had the melanin products, but somebody has my leave-in conditioner and it is like delicious. Like, it smells so good. But I'm going to use this as a leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to use the melanin. I love melanin. I'm going to use this as my styling cream. And I'm going to braid my hair down, probably some cornrows or something. But I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to use this black rice oil by Must Be Natural on my hair. I think I'm going to use it as a sealing as a sealant too. Normally what I do is I use the melanin and the melanin oil, which is awesome too, to seal in. But because I'm using the black rice oil, I said I was going to use it for 30 days. I'm going to use the black rice oil to seal in my hair and also on my scalp. But before that, okay, so I've been using the black rice oil for probably 3 weeks. Has it been 3 weeks? Maybe 2 weeks. It hasn't been 3 weeks. So the first video you saw when I first started using it, that's right when I washed my hair. And now this is the next time I wash my hair. So I'm going to do a length check. So I did, and then I'll try to do a side-by-side comparison. You know, my video skills aren't the best. But I just, since I'm washing it, I want to do the length check. All right. So last time it was, it stopped at my lip. Look, it has grown. Look at that. You see that? It's right here now. So I'm shooketh. Okay, so let's do a piece from the back. Let me find out. All right, so I don't know what it looked like on the last video. Oh, you can see the little rings on my neck. Maybe that'll help. I'm getting fat with this cold roll. So right here, this is where my bone is. So it's down here to my bone. So we'll be able to see where it was on the other video. And then I think I did this side. I didn't remember. But I'm going to pull this down and we'll see where this is. I'll do it on both sides because I don't remember which side I did. So here, can you see it's like right there? And let's do the other side too, because I don't know which side I did in my last video. But I want to make sure that I give you a good comparison. So it's like right here, right? All right, so it's grown. My hair has grown. I don't have anything else to say. It's grown. So it's been 2 weeks. I'll give you the exact date of when I filmed that video in this video, but my hair has grown. Okay, black rice oil, let me find out. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my hair for my leave-in, as I said. Then I'm going to put the melanin in my hair for my cream styler, and then I'm going to use the black rice oil. I'm going to use the black rice oil on my scalp and as my sealant. Now, I did buy the bundle, and you'll see me using it. So this came with the bundle. This is the 1 ounce. And then this is the 2 ounces. Is this 1 ounce? The lettering is so small, I can't see what it says, but that's what happens when you get older. But I'm going to use this as a sealant, and I'm going to use it on my scalp. But you guys, my hair has grown. So... wow. All right. So I will do another video later so you can see how I braided it down, or if I twist it, I'll do one of those two things. And then we'll wait until next time to see what happens. Now the review that I give of the product is an honest review because I didn't really like all of it. So I'm just gonna be as honest as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye. You see my blood butterfly. My daughter did this. She's an artist. I'm going to show you some of her art pieces in another video. She's amazing. All right, bye.